Hi everyone, today I want to sharing about you how to add text in Adobe Photoshop 2021. Okay, go to see my practice at my computer together. Before I go to start menu and then I open Adobe Photoshop 2021. Okay, please wait for Adobe Photoshop running done. Okay everyone, this is the background of Adobe Photoshop 2021. Okay, before I create a new project and I create new, and then I select on side this one and I put name title project. Okay, and then I create. Okay, and then I go to text tool and I select horizontal title and shortcut key. You can click letter key on the keyboard and then I click. Okay, I change color and then I click red color. Okay, I write text hello everyone and upload every day. Okay, and then I click on character and then I click and set the leading. Okay, you can put a stroke in the text title. You can go to FH and you can click a stroke. Okay, you can click a color, change color, and can zoom size. Okay everyone, now I finish for create a text in Adobe Photoshop 2021. Okay, thank you for watching my video and thank you for subscribing my channel if you want to see more video about me. And then for next video I will make a new video sharing to you how to use tool in Adobe Photoshop 2021. Okay, thank you, bye bye.